Hello, my name is Milind Tambe, Professor of Computer Science at Harvard, Director AI for Social Good for Google Research India. Where should AAMAS be heading? My short answer, agent-based modeling for societal impact. I'll begin with a short overview of the research conducted by my group over the past 14 years. Our research is focused on multi-agent systems for societal impact in public health, conservation, and public safety and security. Key question is how to optimize limited intervention resources. With respect to public health, we have limited number of health workers or social workers, large number of beneficiaries. Concrete example is work we've done with homeless youth in Los Angeles. Key area of emphasis is use of social networks to deliver health information. With respect to conservation, large conservation areas to protect, limited numbers of rangers. Key area of emphasis is use of machine learning and game theory to protect endangered wildlife. With respect to public safety and security, we have limited number of security resources. Key area of emphasis is your game theory for optimizing these limited security resources. Recently, having taken over as Director of AI for Social Good, we held an AI for Social Good workshop in Bangalore and then launched several projects in public health, conservation, and education in India with NGOs such as Arman, Swasti, Kushi Baby, and others. With this background now, let's answer the question of where should AAMAS head next. The AAMAS conference has focused a lot on methodological advances in game theory, reinforcement learning, social networks, decision theory, and others. Not as a substitution for this continuing excellent work, but in addition to it, my suggestion is to focus on addressing societal challenges. Climate change, conservation, education are clearly big challenges, but today's need is to have AAMAS research focus on COVID-19, health, and public health in general. AAMAS has a lot to contribute to challenges posed by COVID-19 and health in general. Concrete example is agent-based modeling work for policy recommendation. A picture here shows our own agent-based model with SEIR components and our simulation for the US state of Georgia in terms of impact of different policies in opening up the state for business or limited number of businesses in terms of numbers of infections and numbers of deaths that may arise as a result. These options can be made available to policymakers. In addition, social networks, bandit algorithms, and others can be used for optimizing our limited resources. So my concrete suggestion for AAMAS 2021 is to have a special track on agent-based modeling for health or agent-based modeling for society. We could have invited speakers on agent-based modeling for epidemiological research and panel discussion on the use of agent-based modeling for health in general. The goal here is to encourage high-impact research that addresses a key gap at AAMAS. Agent-based modeling for societal challenges. This work has been going on outside of AAMAS. For example, work on agent-based modeling for COVID-19 has largely gone on outside of the AAMAS community. In fact, a lot of the agent-based modeling work for epidemiological research has been conducted outside of AAMAS. The domain experts here need us, but we are not quite able to team up with them. I see here a big opening for AAMAS to start an interdisciplinary dialogue at AAMAS 2021 and to build on that, to build up a bigger conference, interdisciplinary conference, where domain experts from other disciplines will start to come up to build up agent-based modeling research. This point has been made before by other speakers such as Mike Wellman about including more of agent-based modeling research in our conference. So my vision, what I suggest for AAMAS 2030, where would we be? I would like to see AAMAS 2030 have be a conference where we have agent-based research for societal challenges. This could be a conference that's 10 times the size of what we've seen at AAMAS in this decade. It could be a premier conference for agent-based modeling for societal challenges, for challenges such as dealing with pandemics, agent-based modeling for conservation, public health, climate change, and other topics. A highly interdisciplinary, exciting venue for agent-based modeling research. So with this emphasis of adding on agent-based modeling for societal challenges, I'm going to sign off and hope that we can meet in person at AAMAS 2021. Thank you so much.